Welcome to my channel. My name is Janai. For those of you who are new here, I am sharing my love of makeup and of beauty with you all, and that's what we're doing here on my channel. And today I wanted to do a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Let's jump right in. Now that we're all up close and personal, I already did my brows off camera, so they're already done. But we're gonna start with the eyes. So now that we have the base on, let's just dive right in. So I'm going to start with this shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Yeah, and we're gonna just start brushing that into the crease. But I'm gonna use a brush from the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill collection. It's the JH31 brush. I'm gonna just pick up a little of that shade. I want to take it all the way. Okay, so now we got our transition shade. I'm gonna go into the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. I haven't used this palette in a little bit. Anyways, we're gonna go into the Nooner shade. Let's go right underneath it, just to define it more. Just to give us more definition in our crease. And I forgot to mention that the brush I used to do that was the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH35 brush. It was just another crease brush, you know. Yeah, I want to go in with this dark shade from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. My Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH34 brush. And we're just going to go onto the outer corner, and I'm just going to pat that on. Give more depth to the outer corner, and just bring it down towards the lash line. And just buff it out. Like, do you do anything exciting for Valentine's Day? For me, like, it's never been a huge thing. My husband's just like, I see no point in Valentine's Day. It's just a Hallmark money-making holiday. And I'm like, come on, let's just have fun and celebrate each other. But so we'll see if he actually wants to do anything. I'm hoping I can convince him to do something with me. We will see. Let's hope. One can hope, right? Okay, so I think I'm going to do a cut crease. I'm going to use my Shape Tape Concealer. Just put a little back of my hand. Use this flat definer brush. It's from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Let's start with this very like golden chromy shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to take it on this other brush from the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill collection JH37 brush. And I'm just going to pat this on right on the outer, right next to where we put that darker outer corner shade. But yeah, I think Valentine's Day is fun, especially if you're in a relationship and just celebrating your love. Like, I think it's important to celebrate each other and to, you know, because I think a lot of times when you go through the day-to-day of life, you forget about the importance of, you know, letting the person you love know how important they are. You know I definitely fall into that sometimes. So I think it's fun to have a holiday where it just reminds you to be grateful and to be thankful for the one you love and the ones you love the most, you know? Because even if you're not married or in a relationship or, you know, it doesn't have to just be about sharing your love with the person who, you know, your significant other with. It could be your family, your friends, your children, your mother, father, you know, just helping people in your life know that you love them. And I think that's really important too, and I think a lot of times that's forgotten. I know I forget that. I have to remind myself of that too. Sorry, I'm blending that out, that shade I just put down out into the rest. And now I'm going to take a flat definer brush again, and I'm going to take this shade. It's It's like a pinky chromey color too. And we're gonna use this shade and put that on the rest of the lid. And I'm just gonna take a lot of it on this and I'm gonna wet it to make it even more metallic. I'm gonna use the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray and just help that to come alive. Oh yes, queen. I'm feeling it. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Tattoo Liner Trooper. I love this eyeliner. Okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna go in with mascara and lashes, and I'm gonna do that off camera real quick, and I'll be right back. I love lashes, they make such a difference. Okay, so I use, just so you know what lashes are on me, these lashes are from Slay Bella. They don't really have a name, but they're really pretty. Yeah, they're really pretty. I like them, and they're easy to apply. Just says Glam Volume Sexy. So there's not really a name to them, but let's go on to the face. Yeah, we're gonna use the Becca First Light Priming Filter. I got like a little tester size of this. So yeah, we're gonna use this. It's the Instant Complexion Refresh. And it's purple, which is kind of fun for Valentine's. So yeah. Why not? Put it all over the face. It smells it. Kind of smells good. Like, almost like skincare product smell, which is not a bad smell if you ask me. So yeah, put that all over. Oh, and it makes my skin nice and tacky, which is nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my Diorskin Forever Foundation in the shade 014, and I'm going to mix it with some WetNWild on the back of my hand with a couple drops. I'm gonna mix it with this WetNWild Halo liquid highlighter in the shade Halo Goodbye, or 304A. And mix those together to give us some glow. Yeah. Who doesn't want to be glowing? I do. If you hear barking or like growls, it's my dog and my mom's dogs. I'm at my mom's house filming today, and we, like I said before about my puppy, we got the whole litter. There was 4 of them. I took one, my brother took one, and my mom took 2. And so yeah, there's a lot of puppies outside playing right now. They can get a little mean to each other sometimes. Now we're gonna do concealer. I'm gonna use my Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Beige. The thing I don't like about this concealer is it straight up smells, I don't know if it's just me, and that could literally just be me, but I swear, to me, it smells like paint. I can't believe it's almost Valentine's Day already. Like, where has the time gone? The year is already flying by. January to me went so fast. I heard a lot of people say it went really slow, but to me, I feel like it went by really fast. Probably because I was on vacation and then I had to come back to reality. And I think that's what made it seem like it went by a lot faster. I'm going to use my Smashbox Step-by-Step Contour Stick in the shade Contour. Contour. Oh my goodness, the dogs are so growling out there. They are getting in a fight. I'm going to use my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and you can tell it's been very well loved. And I'm going to use a mixture of these 2 shades right here to set my under eyes. WetNWild Hill JH07 brush to set that with. We're going to go into my Tarte Blush Bazaar palette. And I'm going to use the shade Skillful, this one right here, to blend that in. Well, to use to blend that in, I'm going to use the JH04 brush. I kind of like how this got like a nice fun angle to it. We're going to use the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm to highlight today, even though I have a love-hate relationship with this for the face. We're just going to play with it. Because, you know, it's Valentine's Day, so who cares if I have, like, glitter all over? But I just love how wet this makes me look. Try on the nose. Like, I feel like it gives you such a nice, like, glisten. And sometimes I feel like it doesn't give you just a direct glisten in one spot. It, like, tends to have a lot of fallout, especially on the cheeks. But, you know, I kind of like that look for the Valentine's-y kiss of whatever today for the Valentine's-y look, so. I'm gonna go for a red lip today, so I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Uncensored liquid lip. I'm gonna use my Morphe Lip Liner pencil in the shade Hoova to line my lips. Guys, I'm living for this look. Living. You know, I decided, let's put a little bit of this Diamond Balm on my finger, just on these lips, because I'm kind of feeling it. Just add, oh yeah. Yeah, you always want to shine bright like a diamond. Okay, well let's finish with some setting spray. I used, again, this Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Just bag it up for a second. Ah, I love setting spray. Always makes me feel glowy and put together. All right, thanks so much for watching. This is the finished look. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite part of Valentine's Day is, or just anything so I can get to know you. Again, thanks so much for watching, and bye. Until next time. Okay. Who else feels like they have to hold their breath while they're doing their liquid eyeliner? I do. Subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and Blaine, I'm filming! I'm filming!